lactic-acid-bacteria beverage pretreatment production line. As a famous brand in the domestic lactic-acid-bacteria beverage industry, Voxsun can be traced back to the early 90s Jean E. Villica and renamed to Voxsun in 2009. Its Voxsun lactic acid bacteria beverage, AD calcium milk, is the leading brand of leisure food channels, especially sugar-free series products. For the market explosion, the production lines of our Tonglu factory in 2021 and Fuyang factory in 2024 both be designed, manufactured, installed and commissioned by Shanghai Beyond Machinery Companies Limited. Intelligent dissolving system independently developed by Beyond can dissolve all kinds of raw and auxiliary materials quickly to achieve the purpose of efficient and energy-saving materialization. It saves 30% energy compared with the traditional melting method. High-quality milk source. After rapid heating, the lactose in milk and protein meld reaction, resulting in a special aroma, giving the final product both the sweet and sour taste of lactobacillus beverage, while at the same time specific enticing caramelized smell, enriching the product's sense of hierarchy and characteristics. Pasteurization system contains preheating, homogenization, sterilization, cooling, and heat recovery process, maximizing the retention of nutrients in the milk, but also an important guarantee of milk hygiene indicators of the equipment. After sterilization, the milk is aseptically operated for strain addition and fermented in clean fermenters. The fermentation process monitors various indicators such as temperature and acidity. Fermentation reaches the end point and is quickly cooled to ensure the flavor and quality of the yogurt. Fermented milk is blended twice, and precise ingredients are ensured through a strict ingredient program, which avoids the stickiness of milk and adds a refreshing and pleasant taste. The lactobacillus beverage after modulation is sterilized by UHT sterilization system, which can kill microorganisms without adding preservatives artificially, providing a strong guarantee for the shelf life of the product. This project is equipped with a fully automatic CIP cleaning system, which carries out scientific and effective cleaning and disinfection of the equipment. Flow rate, temperature, concentration, and time are automatically controlled to provide a strong guarantee for product hygiene. Beyond Machinery actively responds to the National Action Plan Made in China 2025, adheres to the engineering design concept of green development, recycles all the condensate produced by steam in the production line, and realizes the promotion and application of energy-saving and environmentally friendly technologies, processes, and equipment.